Sometimes, as a taxpayer under Uganda Revenue Authority, aka the most disliked agency in the hood, but also the agency responsible for collecting taxes from people and businesses, they may make decisions about your taxes, like how much you owe, or they may reject your tax returns, but you have reason to believe that they made a mistake, or you disagree with their decision and you do not know what to do next. This is what we're going to be talking about today for our Friday legal tip. My name is Joy E, and remember, for the complex bits, please do consult with your lawyers. The reason I get here is to share knowledge of the law in the simplest of terms to equip you better and help you make informed decisions. Remember, if this benefits you, you like it, pass it on, like, engage, let me know what you think. Now, first things first. Now, this is how you challenge a decision by URA that is not sitting well with you as a taxpayer who is registered. One, you raise an objection, which is a formal communication showing your dissatisfaction of an assessment raised by URA, and it's more like a form which you can also get off URA website. And you attach supporting evidence, receipts, and whatever it is that you need, and also attach grounds for which you're objecting this decision. Now, this has to be done within 45 days after receiving a notice of assessment from URA, and URA has 90 days after your submission within which to respond, and they have to give you valid reasons as a taxpayer as to why they made the decision that they made, which is not sitting well with you. Now, at this stage, should they respond and you're still not satisfied, there's also an alternative of ADR, which is alternative dispute resolution or mediation, and see that you sit in this. And there's been reports actually of most disputes resolved at this level without necessarily having to continue to the tribunal. And people sit together, they have a tete-a-tete, they exchange documents, and sometimes the taxpayers realize maybe they didn't have evidence or they misunderstood this and that, and then they come to terms. Should you still be dissatisfied, then you can continue the tax appeals tribunal, and you need to appeal within 30 days after being served with a notice of objection decision, which you have to attach with supporting evidence. And remember that you have to pay 30% of the tax assessed or the tax not in dispute, whichever is higher, and the burden of proof is on you as a taxpayer